Colleagues, another correspondence from Mr. President. This time is request for confirmation of appointment of one justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. Pursuant to Section 2312 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, I am pleased to present for confirmation by the Senate the appointment of Honorable Justice Oyewole Joseph Olubumi Kayode as Justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. While it is my hope that the Senate will consider and confirm the nominee expeditiously, please accept, distinguished Senate President, the assurances of my highest regards. Yours sincerely, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This request for confirmation of one Supreme Court justice is referred to the Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights, and Legal Matters to revert to the Senate in the shortest possible time.